Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the topic representation of geographical features. In the previous video, we have discussed the representation of geographical features through maps, globes, plans, and sketches. Here today, we are going to discuss what are the other ways to represent the geographical features. The other way to represent geographical features is aerial photography. What is aerial photography? Photographs of the earth are taken from camera mounted with an aircraft or an unmanned drone or artificial satellite. In fact, such photographs have been used widely in the preparation of accurate maps. Students, you know that we use diagrams also to represent different geographical features. Let us discuss the geographical features and their diagrams. First of all, we are going to talk about the fold mountains. Fold mountains are represented with the help of anticlines and synclines. Anticlines and synclines are parts of a simple fold. A fold is formed when the layers of the earth's crust are folded by compression. The arcs of a fold or upfolds are known as anticlines. Downfolds or the troughs of a fold are known as synclines. The next geographical feature we are going to discuss, that is block mountains. A fault or a fracture of the earth's crust is caused by strain or tension. This results in a displacement of the surface. When cracks or faults occur in the earth's crust and the surface between the cracks sinks, it leaves upstanding blocks on either side. These are called block mountains. Here in this diagram you can see the formation of the block mountains. The raised blocks are called the Hauss, while the lowered blocks are called the Graben. Now we will talk about the features of a river. A stream of water which flows in a channel from high ground to low ground and ultimately to a lake or sea is called a river. A river is often divided into three parts or stages: upper course, middle course, and the lower course. Each of these stages has features that are specific to each stage. We will discuss about some of the geographical features with the help of diagrams. A tributary is the first feature of a river. A tributary is a freshwater stream that feeds into a larger stream or river. The larger or parent river is called the main stream. The point where a tributary meets the main stream is called the confluence. Tributaries do not flow directly into the ocean. Most large rivers are formed from many tributaries. As in this example, here you can see that Ganga is the main stream. Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa, Gomti, Gandak, Kosi, Sarda, Ghagar, all are the tributaries of Ganga. The next feature of a river we are going to discuss, that is a meander. What is a meander? Meander is a big bend in a river. Meanders are made by rivers flowing over a floodplain. A single bend on its own is not a meander. Meanders occur in patterns and are normally found in the lower reaches of a river. Meanders are formed as this way: as river water runs around a bend, so it flows faster on the outside of the bend wearing the bend away. The water flows much more slowly on the inside of the bend, and so silt, sand and clay carried by a river tend to settle out on the inside bend. Distributary is the next feature of a river. A distributary or distributary channel is a stream that branches off and flows away from a main stream channel. Distributaries are a common feature of river deltas. The phenomena is known as river bifurcation. The opposite of a distributary is tributary. Distributaries are found where a stream nears a lake or an ocean. So, in other words, when the main river breaks up into smaller rivers, we get distributaries. It is formed from the main river, it takes away water from the main river. So, when the distributaries are taking place in between these small streams, which are known as distributaries, there are the triangular land masses. These triangular land masses between the distributaries are known as deltas. So, a delta is a landform that is formed at the mouth of a river where the main stream splits up into several distributaries. A delta is formed from the deposits of sediment carried by the river as the flow leaves the mouth of the river. Deltas are usually in the shape of a triangle. Students, just now we have discussed about tributary and distributary. Let us now discuss the differences between tributary and distributary. About the tributary, this is a stream which flows into a mainstream river. And distributary is completely reverse of a tributary which branches off and flows away from the mainstream. Second, a tributary doesn't flow directly into a sea, ocean or lake, but distributary may or may not fall directly into a sea, ocean or lake. Third difference is tributaries and the mainstream river drain the surrounding drainage basin of its surface water and groundwater. And the third point of distributary is that distributaries normally form a delta or estuary. Fourth, tributary example is there. Yamuna is tributary of the Ganga, and here the example of distributary, Hooghly is a distributary of the Ganga. My dear children, let us recap what we have learned today. We have learnt representation of geographical features. Besides maps, globe, plan and sketch, we can represent the geographical features with the help of aerial photographs and diagrams. A stream of water which flows in a channel from high ground to low ground and ultimately to a lake or sea is called a river. There are three stages of a river: upper course, middle course and lower course. In the upper, middle and lower course, there are different features of the river. Tributary, this is the feature of the upper course. Distributary, this is the feature of the lower course. Meander, this is the feature of the middle course, and delta is the feature of the lower course. I hope all of you have understood today's video. Any query, please feel free to talk to me about any doubts you are having. I hope you will watch this video 2 times and understand it and do the worksheet which is attached with it. Thank you so much students. Stay home, stay safe.